Hi, this is Jesse Stay, author of Facebook Application Development for Dummies. I'm going to take you through the process of setting up a Facebook application. To start off, we're going to set up your application. You can do that by starting out going to facebook.com/developer. You can add an S onto the end of that if you want. Both will work. Hit enter. It will likely ask you to authorize if you haven't yet. Since I've authorized, it will take you straight here. And then just go into the upper right hand corner here and click on Set Up New App. Now, the app name is up to you. You can call it whatever you want. We're going to call this Demo App. You can read the Facebook terms here if you like. I suggest reading them at some point in time so that you understand what you're getting into. Click Agree. Then click Create App. It might ask you for a security check. Go ahead and fill in what it asks you to enter. Then hit Submit. Let it load. And it takes you into a screen that looks like this. This is your basic information. You can fill out any of this. The icon here is a little icon that will appear next to your app if you put it in a Facebook page on the left-hand side under the links on the left. The logo is what appears on the page for your app and a few other locations. You can fill out all kinds of stuff here. We're not going to worry too much. If you want to add an administrator, you can do that as well if you're collaborating with other developers and other things. But for our purposes, we're going to go ahead and just do the Facebook app part. So what you're going to need to click on is Facebook integration. It's really simple. All you need to do is pick a name. So let's go ahead and pick out Dummies Demo App. And if we're lucky, that will work, but we've got to fill out a canvas URL. The canvas URL is the URL that Facebook will reference in the iframe when it's accessing your app. So this is going to be the root location for on your servers that Facebook is going to pull from. So on this, we're going to use the example that I use in the book, which is just you go to inspirations.social2.com. I've got that set up. You have to end with a end slash, and I've got that set up so that it loads a simple index.html file from that URL and in a location on my server. And you can do the same. You'll need to work with your hosting provider to know where to point that to. I could type index.html right here if I wanted to specifically point to that or not. Again, end with the end slash, and that would work. Facebook is now requiring secure versions of your URL, and that is just barely recent. For most cases, this is going to be the same thing with just the HTTPS on there, so we're going to just fill that out as well. And is for iframe size, you can choose what you want. I always choose auto resize, but you can choose either or. Leave the rest blank. Don't worry about the tab name. You can learn about those in the book. But if you click on Save Changes here, you'll end up on a page that looks kind of like this.